Do you record long voice note or meetings on your phone and later you struggle to find the important part again? In the voice recorder app, you can use Bookmark to mark important moment inside a recording. Let me show you how it works. First, open the voice recorder app. Tap a voice recording you recorded before. Play the recording and pause at the important part. Tap Add Bookmark icon at the top right of the playback bar. To add more bookmark, resume playback, pause at another important part, and then tap Add Bookmark icon again. To view and manage bookmark, tap the bookmark icon at the top left of the playback bar. Here you will see all bookmarks in this recording. You can remove a bookmark by tapping the circle with the minus icon. Add a note to a bookmark by tapping Add Note, then write your note following by tapping Add, and tap the X icon to close the bookmark list. Given to its function, bookmarks help you save time when listening to long recordings. You can jump directly to important moments, add note, and keep your voice recording well organized. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.